Steam drifts over Shenzhen night stalls.
The paste fries into a fragrant base.
Milk turns the soup creamy and red. Roots, mushrooms, tofu cook first.
Raw trays stay apart from cooked bowls.
Bowls rise with sauce and chili oil.
This broth is rich and numbing.
The stall serves the night crowd.